Good morning students, welcome to the social class. Up to yesterday we have learned that the time calculation in Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Today's topic is Indian Standard Time or local time. Yes, what is local time or what is standard time of a country? We already know that Earth is moving and it is crossing 360-degree longitudes in 24 hours. Means per an hour it is moving 15 degrees longitudes. Means for every longitude there will be different times. For example, if 30-degree east longitude have one type of time, 40-degree east longitude have another type of time. The time may not be equal at 30-degree east and 40-degree east. So each longitude consists of its own time, right? Yes. Then how it is possible to decide a single time for a country? For example, you can take India. So our India is quite big country and it had many longitudes. Approximately from 68-degree east to 97-degree east longitudes we have. These many longitudinal distance we have in India. Approximately 29-degree longitudes we had in India. Even though we had 29-degree longitudinal distance in India from Dwarka in Gujarat to Dibrugarh in Assam. How we can follow the same time in India? If you go to Vijayawada, Mumbai, Hyderabad, New Delhi, wherever you go in India, it shows the same time. Can you guess what is the reason that how we are following the same time throughout the India? Yes, let me explain the topic. Out of these 29 degrees longitudes, India has selected one longitude as standard meridian of our country. That is 82.5 east longitude. And India has selected the middle longitude which passes through India as the standard meridian. And the time at the 82.5 east longitude of India is called the standard time of India. Means that is the local time of India. So that is the reason where we are going in India, we can observe the same time throughout the India. That is the time of 82-degree east, 82.5 east longitude. So I hope now you understand what is local time of a particular country. Yes, 82.5 east longitude is the standard meridian of India and the time at 82.5 east longitude is the standard time of India. So there is a big longitudinal distance between the 0-degree prime meridian to 82 east Indian standard time. Yes, now we need to calculate and we need to know how many hours difference is there from the prime meridian to 82 degrees east longitude. Yes, in order to calculate the time difference between the Indian Standard Time and Prime Meridian Time, we need to know the location of India on the globe. So observe here. So India lies at the north side of the equator and east side of the Prime Meridian. So it lies in the northeastern hemisphere of the globe. So observe here, north side and east side of the prime meridian. So northeastern hemisphere of the globe. So since it lies at the east side of the prime meridian, we need to subtract or add the time. Absolutely, we need to add the time to the prime meridian. So first of all, we need to calculate that in 82.5 east longitude, how many hours difference is there from the prime meridian. Consider as prime meridian as the 0-degree and add 15 degrees and add 1 hour per every 15 degrees longitudes until 82.5 east longitude. I am repeat again, from the 0-degree prime meridian add 1 hour for every 15 degrees longitude until you reach 82-degree east longitude. if we do the calculation like that, as 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour, then 82 and half degrees is equal to how many hours? I told you, you have to add 1 hour for every 15 degrees. Then if we calculate like that, we can arrive at the 5 hours 30 minutes difference between the prime meridian to 82° east longitude. Did you understand the point? So we have to calculate the time difference between the 0 meridian to 82 and half east meridian. We are not subtracting or adding. We are just knowing the difference. How many hours difference is there to 0 to 82 and half degrees longitude. The difference between the 0 longitude and 82 degrees, 82 and half east longitude is 5 hours 30 minutes. Now we have to see the time difference of London longitude and Indian longitude. London longitude means the prime longitude which passes through London Greenwich. Yes, if the time in London is 2 p.m., what is the time in India? So how many hours difference we know that? 5 hours 30 minutes difference is there. Then now we had here 2 hours, 2 p.m. in London. So in India 2 p.m. plus 5 hours 30 minutes. That is 7 hours 30 minutes is the Indian time when we had 2 p.m. in London. Like this, we have to calculate the time and we have to add the time to the eastern hemisphere, subtract the time if the country lies in the western hemisphere. So first of all, you need to know the how many hours difference is there from the prime meridian. After that, you have to add the time to the prime meridian time. So like that, we have to know the difference of the time in different countries in the world, based on the prime meridian time and based on the longitude that passes through on that country. So if we know the longitude or standard meridian of that particular country, we can tell the time of that country and we can tell the difference of the time of that country and prime meridian time. Yes, some countries are more bigger than India and they consist of many longitudinal distances, and those countries may take more than one longitude as the standard longitude or the standard meridian for that country. For example, Russia. Russia is very big country and it has many longitudes passes through to that country, and it has many time zones also. So it is a big problem to the countries which have a very big area and which passes through many longitudes. So this is all about globe latitudes and longitudes.